Hey everybody, we're here at Darwin Motorcycles. We're using our Summit machine, Lathe, and just caught Justin boring out this grip. Thought I'd show you what we're doing. So we're running a bike that's going to have an internal throttle and twist brake, but to make it fit we had to bore out this grip, which you'll see in a second. And man, I'm telling you, having this Summit mill and Summit Lathe combo really makes a difference. Well, here we go. Alright, and then this is the internal piece. Look at that. Perfect fit. Right in there. Cool. Alright, that's it. Another save with the Summit machine equipment, with the lathe and the mill.